Hello and welcome to the highlights of the Pakistan Junior League. It's match 5, Hyderabad Hunters versus Gwadar Sharks.
Cut away. He found the gap, which was the most important thing. It was a length delivery. Fine edge. Soft hands, kept it down. Short and pulled away. This is really good batting because the implementation of that first slip. Went for the cut shot, flew off the outside edge and gone for 4. Nails a Yorker. Excellent stuff, but very unfortunate for Ismail. He concedes another 4. Beautiful. That's a gorgeous looking stroke to end the over. Didn't try to overhit it. He just presented the full face of the bat. Using the aerial route once more. And it's another boundary.
More runs driven through cover and the chase has been given up. So that's a 50 for the batting side. The Hunters look like a different unit today.
Checked in the air. This could be the first wicket. Who wants it? Dropped. Second drop.
Full toss down the leg side and dispatched. Gets the treatment, a real gift from Benkenstein, and allows the captain to get to his landmark 50. First 50 for Sad Beg. Big shot down the ground and goes long. That's a handsome stroke that takes him to half a dozen. That's a gorgeous stroke. Lofted drive over extra cover. He's growing in stature. And he tries it again. The outcome is the same. Brings up his 50 in style. So both openers now getting to their landmark. That's wayward. A real gift, but he doesn't get it over the boundary line. Finds the fielder. He'll be so disappointed. Again, another catch presented and taken. So after putting down 2.
Another wicket. An absolute beautiful delivery from round the wicket. A googly. Beautiful shot. This one, a little bit of a slingy action. This is the 8th bowler now in Adnan Iqbal, who's come into the attack round the wicket.
He's bowling Yorkers and he's getting them in exactly. Oh, direct hit. We might be going upstairs.
So a good piece of fielding.
That's hit him right in front. I was thinking the umpire's taking a long time to give that decision. Oh, full toss. That's a gift to a new batter. Take it. It's high in the air, but it's gone over everybody. That's a big 6 now. He's just over pitching it time and again. Play and a miss, a dot ball. That's not a bad over by Shoaib, just 5 of it. 182 for 5. Hyderabad Hunters in their 20 overs. Good batting display. 183 to win this match at 9.15 runs and over. It's going to be a task for the Sharks. Let's join the action with our commentators.
Outside edge found. And that will race away for 4. So first runs for the Sharks. That's a classy stroke through that cover region. All he did was drove this delivery on the upper bit. And again, This is fine batting by Benkenstein. Much better length, but this pitch is so good you can hit through the line, as we saw on that occasion. Gone for the big shot. Falls short of Zayaton. Cleaned him up. Trying to be too innovative and cheeky, Benkenstein. He pays a heavy price. That's a fine stroke. Clipped away, onside. No space on this delivery. He's got a fair bit of experience, Ibrahim. That's a beauty. Real beauty from Nazir. He's worked hard.
That's a boundary. That's more convincing. Captain comes down and he's had enough. He hits that maximum, very straight, very safe.
That's what he's looking for. So he can pick it up and hit it out the park for a 6.
And that's a bad delivery. Low full toss.
Beautiful shot to bring up his half century. Another good over so far, and a 50 for Shamil off 39 balls, 5 fours, 2 sixes, and the Sharks believe they can win back-to-back games.
Clipped away and will beat that fielder deep backward square to his left. That's hammered and done it quite well. Oh, how unfortunate. First delivery from Wasif. That should go all the way. Nope. Into the hands of the fielder. On the track. Catch it is the cry, and the catch is taken. So, is there a twist in the tail? All fielders within the 30-yard circle. Here we go. In the gap, and that's victory. Victory for Gwadar Sharks. They've played magnificently with the bat, and they've conquered this chase. Second win in a row for this wonderful side.